Okay guys, just open settings, then select general, then select keyboard, just scroll up, then you can see the option for enable detection. Just tap on that button, then iPhone show you a notification about the detection. Okay, then tap on enable detection for turning on. If you don't like to turn on, just press the cancel button. So the detection not work. Now I am turn on the detection. You can see here, and also you can disable from tapping here. And there is must be, yeah, you need to confirm whenever you whenever you enabling or disabling the detection. Okay guys, it's a very simple tutorial video. If you need any kind of Android, iPhone or any PC or Mac tutorial videos, just comment below. I will post to replace as videos. Okay guys, if you like this video, please like, comment and share with your friends. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.